Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered, what's out there? Our solar system is a tiny part of a huge galaxy called the Milky Way. And within this vast galaxy, our Sun is the star at the center of a family of planets. But what makes our solar system so special? Today, we're going to travel through space to discover the wonders of our solar system, the Sun, the planets, and everything in between. Our solar system is made up of the Sun, which is at the center, and 8 planets that orbit around it. The heart of the solar system is a giant ball of burning gas. It is the source of light and warmth on Earth, and it's so massive that more than 1 million Earths could fit inside it. Now, let's move on to the planets that dance around the Sun. First, we will meet Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, which faces extreme temperatures. Mercury is the smallest planet and the closest to the Sun. During the day, it gets incredibly hot, but when the sun sets, the temperature drops to freezing cold. It's a planet of extremes, and without an atmosphere to trap the heat, these temperature swings are huge. Moving on, Venus is similar to Earth in size, but don't be fooled, it's anything but Earth-like. Venus has thick clouds that trap heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. It's so hot that the surface can melt metal. Earth, our very own home, is the only planet we know that has life. From space, you can see our blue oceans and green land, and it's the perfect balance of these elements that makes Earth just right for living. We are not too close or too far from the Sun, and we have air and water to support life. Now let's travel to Mars, which is often called the red planet because of its rusty-colored surface. Scientists believe that Mars may have once had water, and they are studying the planet to understand if life could have existed there long ago. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, so big that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. It has a huge storm called the Great Red Spot, which has been raging for over 300 years. Jupiter is truly a giant. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings made of ice, rock, and dust. These rings make Saturn one of the most breathtaking planets in the solar system. But did you know Saturn isn't the only planet with rings? Let's take a closer look at Uranus, which has rings too, along with something very special. It's tilted on its side. Uranus is a very cold planet, and it's unique because it spins on its side. Scientists think that millions of years ago, a big object crashed into Uranus, knocking it over sideways. It's the only planet that does this. From Uranus, let's travel to Neptune, the last planet in our solar system. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun, and it's a world of powerful winds, blowing faster than 1,200 miles per hour. These winds can reach speeds faster than the fastest hurricanes on Earth. Our solar system is just one tiny part of the Milky Way galaxy, which has billions of stars. Some of those stars might even have planets like ours, and who knows? There could be life out there waiting to be discovered. From the fiery Sun to the icy winds of Neptune, every planet in our solar system is special. Together, they make our solar system an amazing place to explore, and we have only just begun to understand all of its mysteries. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through space.